We like boots and saddles. We love girls and guitars. We let romance and passion turn our heads and rule our hearts. Old bandanas and blue jeans, campfires burning like stars. It's a song about all the things we live and what we are. Dancing cowboy, singing horses, gypsy music, ringing voices. Dancing cowboys, singing horses, gypsy music, songs about love. We got home in our hearts, babe, got the road in our blood, got a cowgirl in every single town, or our name ain't mud. We like pistols and Stetsons, dance halls and cafes. Now you know where we're coming from. Come and dance the night away. Dancing cowboy, singing horses, gypsy music, ringing voices. Dancing cowboy, singing horses, gypsy music, songs about love. Gypsy music, ringing voices. Dancing cowboy, singing horses, gypsy music, songs about love, songs about love, songs about love.
Daddy said they ain't making no more of it. I said that's fine with me, 'cause I'm tired of working on it. As soon as I can, I'm out of here. I don't love it like you do. But son, I know just how you feel. I used to feel the same way too, till I learned dirt turns to gold. You gotta be patient, son, it happens slow. It'll take some blood, sweat, and tears, more than a few hard-working years. I know it's hard to see that far down the road. All but dirt turns to gold. Well, I saved enough to move into that city, where the lights shine bright at night and the girls are pretty. Oh, but some nights I can't sleep a wink for the sirens and the horns, and I miss crickets and whippoorwills and the peaceful sounds of home. Now I know dirt turns to gold. I washed it off, but it stayed down in my soul. This girl I met says she'd like to see the place that means so much to me. She wants to feel that feeling that I know, back where dirt seen nothing like County Road 10. I rolled all those windows down, pointed out my old stomping grounds. After supper at Mom and Dad's, swinging in the swing hand in hand, watching the sun sinking out of sight, she said I could get used to this life. Out where dirt turns to gold, on a piece of heaven down some country road. There's space out here for us to breathe, to build a home and plant some seeds, sit on a porch and watch our children grow. That's where dirt turns to gold. Yeah, dirt turns to gold.